Nestled along the coast of the Arabian Sea, Jamnagar is a hidden gem in the vibrant state of Gujarat, India. This coastal city is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, but it holds a unique charm that is waiting to be discovered. With its pristine beaches, rich cultural heritage, and stunning natural landscapes, Jamnagar offers a diverse tapestry of experiences for every traveler. The city beautifully blends rich culture and stunning natural landscapes. As you wander through its streets, you'll find a harmonious mix of old and new, where ancient traditions meet modern progress. The bustling markets are filled with the vibrant colors of traditional textiles, while the aroma of local cuisine wafts through the air, inviting you to indulge in the flavors of Gujarat. Jamnagar is also known for its lively cultural festivals, which are a testament to the city's rich heritage. These festivals are a celebration of music, dance, and art, bringing together people from all walks of life. The city's natural landscapes provide a stunning backdrop for these events, with lush greenery and serene lakes adding to the festive atmosphere. From bustling ports to serene lakes and ancient temples, Jamnagar has something for everyone. The city's ports are a hive of activity, with fishermen bringing in their daily catch and ships setting sail for distant shores. In contrast, the lakes offer a peaceful retreat where you can relax and take in the beauty of nature. The ancient temples, with their intricate carvings and serene ambience, provide a glimpse into the city's spiritual side. For the adventurous traveler, Jamnagar offers a range of activities to explore. Whether it's trekking through the rugged landscapes, bird-watching in the sanctuaries, or simply strolling along the beaches, there's always something to do. The city's diverse landscapes, from the coastal plains to the rolling hills, provide endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. The city's heart beats with the rhythm of the sea, its soul resonating with the calls of migratory birds. The coastline is dotted with fishing villages, where the daily life of the locals is intertwined with the ebb and flow of the tides. The fishermen, with their age-old techniques, bring in a bounty of fresh seafood, which is a staple of the local cuisine. Jamnagar is also a haven for birdwatchers, with its numerous bird sanctuaries attracting a variety of migratory birds. These sanctuaries are a paradise for nature lovers, offering a chance to see rare and exotic species in their natural habitat. The sight of flocks of birds taking flight against the backdrop of the setting sun is a truly mesmerizing experience. Join me on a journey to uncover the allure of this coastal paradise. As we explore the city's many facets, we'll discover the stories that make Jamnagar unique. From its historical monuments to its vibrant street life, every corner of the city has a tale to tell. Jamnagar's history is as colorful as its landscapes. The city is home to numerous historical monuments, each with its own story to tell. The old cityscape, with its narrow lanes and traditional houses, offers a glimpse into the past, while the grand palaces and forts stand as a testament to the city's royal heritage. It is a city where ancient traditions meet modern progress. The streets are a blend of old and new, with modern buildings standing side by side with ancient structures. This juxtaposition creates a unique atmosphere where the past and present coexist in harmony. The city's royal heritage is evident in its grand palaces and forts. These majestic structures, with their intricate architecture and opulent interiors, offer a glimpse into the lives of the royals who once ruled the region. The forts, with their imposing walls and strategic locations, tell tales of battles and conquests. Its connection to nature is deeply rooted in its people and their respect for the environment. The locals are actively involved in environmental conservation efforts, working to preserve the natural beauty of the region. From cleaning up the beaches to planting trees, their efforts are a testament to their love for their land. Jamnagar is not just a city, it's a living, breathing entity that thrives on the harmony between its people and nature. Bedi Port, a bustling hub of activity, is a place where the city of Jamnagar meets the vast expanse of the Arabian Sea. This port is not just a point on the map, it is a living, breathing entity that plays a crucial role in the lives of the people here. The port is where Jamnagar greets the vast Arabian Sea. The coastline stretches out, meeting the horizon in a seamless blend of land and water. The waves crash against the docks, creating a symphony of natural sounds that blend with the human activities. The port is a lifeline for the city, connecting it to the world through trade and commerce. Every day, fishermen set out early in the morning, their boats laden with nets and hopes of a good catch. The port is a hive of activity, with people working tirelessly to ensure the smooth operation of trade. Connecting it to the world through trade and commerce, the port sees a variety of ships, from small fishing boats to large cargo vessels. These ships bring in goods from distant lands and take away the produce of Jamnagar, creating a vibrant exchange that fuels the local economy. Here, the air is filled with the scent of salt and the sounds of seagulls. The seagulls, ever present, add to the charm of the port, their calls mingling with the sounds of the waves and the chatter of the people. The salty breeze carries with it the stories of the sea, tales of adventures and mysteries. The port offers a glimpse into the daily lives of fishermen as they return with their catch. Their faces, weathered by the sun and the sea, tell stories of hard work and perseverance. The catch is unloaded, sorted and sold, a daily ritual that sustains the community. Colourful fishing boats bob gently on the waves, their nets filled with the bounty of the sea. These boats, painted in vibrant hues, are a testament to the rich maritime culture of the region. They add a splash of colour to the blue expanse of the sea, creating a picturesque scene. Their nets filled with the bounty of the sea. The fishermen work diligently to sort and prepare the catch for the market. The variety of fish and seafood is a testament to the richness of the Arabian Sea, providing sustenance and livelihood to many. The sight of the setting sun painting the sky in hues of orange and purple is a sight to behold. As the day comes to an end, the port takes on a serene quality. The hustle and bustle give way to a tranquil atmosphere, with the setting sun casting a golden glow over the waters. It is a moment of reflection, a reminder of the beauty and the rhythm of life by the sea. Just a short distance from the city lies Kijadia Bird Sanctuary, a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. This sprawling wetland ecosystem is home to over 300 species of birds, many of which migrate here during the winter months. The sanctuary is a kaleidoscope of colors as flocks of flamingos, pelicans and cranes paint the landscape with their vibrant plumage. The air is filled with their calls, creating a symphony of nature's music. A leisurely boat ride through the sanctuary offers an up-close encounter with these feathered wonders. Jamnagar is home to India's first marine national park, a testament to its commitment to preserving its natural heritage. This underwater wonderland, located on the shores of the Gulf of Kutch, is a haven for marine life. Divers and snorkelers can explore a world of coral reefs, home to a dazzling array of fish, sea turtles, and other marine creatures. The park is a testament to the beauty and biodiversity that lie beneath the surface of the Arabian Sea. It's a reminder of the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems for generations to come. Section 5. Tranquility personified. Lakhota Lake. In the heart of Jamnagar lies Lakhota Lake, a serene oasis of peace and tranquility. This picturesque lake is not just a body of water, but a symbol of the city's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. The calm waters of Lakhota Lake reflect the sky, creating a mesmerizing mirror effect that captivates every visitor. The lake is a perfect spot for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse themselves in nature's embrace. This man-made lake, built in the 18th century, is surrounded by lush greenery, making it a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The verdant surroundings provide a habitat for various species of birds and small animals, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and bird watchers. The flora around the lake changes with the seasons, offering a different yet equally enchanting view throughout the year. Whether it's the vibrant blooms of spring or the golden hues of autumn, Lakhota Lake never fails to impress. In the center of the lake stands Lakhota Palace, a sandstone structure that once served as a palace and later a prison. This architectural marvel is a testament to the region's historical significance and architectural prowess. The palace, with its intricate carvings and robust structure, stands as a silent witness to the bygone era. It offers a glimpse into the royal lifestyle and the strategic importance of Jamnagar in the past. The palace is accessible via a narrow bridge, adding to the sense of adventure and exploration for visitors. Today, it houses a museum showcasing the region's rich history. The museum's exhibits include artifacts, paintings, and manuscripts that narrate the story of Jamnagar's glorious past. Visitors can explore the various galleries that display everything from ancient weaponry to traditional costumes, offering a comprehensive understanding of the region's cultural evolution. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions and educational programs, making it a dynamic space for learning and engagement. The lake is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, who come to enjoy the peace and quiet or take a leisurely boat ride. Boating on Lakhota Lake offers a unique perspective of the palace and the surrounding landscape, making it a must-do activity for visitors. The shores of the lake are dotted with benches and picnic spots, where families and friends can relax and enjoy the serene environment. The gentle breeze, the chirping of birds, and the stunning views make Lakhota Lake a perfect destination for a day out in nature. Section 6. Nageshwar Jyotirlinga Temple, where faith meets nature. Just a short drive from Jamnagar lies the ancient Nageshwar Jyotirlinga Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. This sacred site holds immense religious significance for Hindus and attracts pilgrims from all over India. The temple complex is a blend of intricate architecture and serene natural beauty. The towering Shikara, adorned with carvings of deities, rises high above the surrounding landscape. The temple's tranquil atmosphere provides a sense of peace and tranquility to all who visit. Section 7. The Tapestry of Culture and History. Jamnagar's cultural heritage is as rich and vibrant as its natural beauty. The city is renowned for its bandhani tie-dye fabrics, intricate silver jewelry, and exquisite handicrafts. These traditional crafts have been passed down through generations. The city is home to several palaces and forts that stand as testaments to its royal past. Moti Baug Palace, with its sprawling gardens, offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the former rulers. Darbargad, once the seat of power, now stands as a reminder of the city's glorious history. Section 8. Climate and best time to visit. Jamnagar enjoys a warm and humid climate for most of the year. The best time to visit is during the winter months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploring the outdoors. The monsoon season from June to September brings much-needed relief from the heat, but can make travel a bit challenging. The summer months from April to June can be quite hot, but the city's coastal location offers some respite from the scorching heat. Section 9. Jamnagar, a tapestry of experiences. Jamnagar is a city that effortlessly blends nature, culture, and history. Its vibrant tapestry of experiences offers something for everyone, whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or a glimpse into India's rich heritage. From its bustling port and serene lake to its ancient temples and vibrant markets, Jamnagar is a city that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to discover this hidden gem on the western coast of India.